What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. On today's video, we're going to be installing a roof rack. If you want to see that get done, go ahead and hit that like button right now. I'm going to show you what the roof rack looks like. It's a Yakima style, so when it's all said and done, I might put the Yakima sticker on it. Who knows? I probably don't really care. I might just leave it black. But I really like this design. They had a lot of different ones. They had some that had, like, you know, metal there. But this is like pretty much, if you were to look up the Yakima, I forgot which one it is, but it's like the low pro version of theirs, and this is the same, pretty much same design. It's like pretty much the rep version. So we're gonna go ahead and see what's all to put this together, see what's all needed to put this together, and we're gonna go put this over there on the other side of the garage, in front of the garage, and go ahead and get started. Probably put it on, and yeah, that's what this video is gonna be about. So like I said, if you want to see that get done, if you've never seen anybody do that before, if you got a CRV or if you got a Honda or anything and you're trying to put a roof rack on it and you don't know what it's going to entail, this video might be for you. So go ahead and stick around. Like I said, hit that like button, maybe subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and we're going to get right into it. Let's go. Why did you do that knife? Oh, there it is. I always forget where I put the shit down. Let's see what we got here. So this is what it looks like after it's all said and done. And you just have to put screws on the side to like make it one unit. And this is the parts. I'm trying to figure out how I want it. I don't know if I want those clips on the bottom or if I want the flat ones on the bottom and put those on top, because you probably are gonna see those. I don't know if that's gonna make me like not like them. The fact that you could see those on the side, or if I want to put those on the top. I don't really know. But I'm gonna go ahead and throw that on real quick. And it's raining out here, so try to do it pretty fast. So I opted to do it this way. I believe they're upside down, but I opted to do it this way because if not, those little knobs right there that you use to like, is basically the nut to take it off. They'd be sitting up here on the top because, you know, it's like a cheaper unit. I'm pretty sure if you'd have got like a better unit, it would have had like an attachment like deal right here with like a lock on it. But being that it's not, it's just like a cheap, you know, I think these are like 60 something bucks or 70 something. It was really cheap. So it didn't come with the lock, so therefore put it upside down, and pretty much it will be like that side, and it makes it pretty damn hard to steal, because I mean it's pretty damn hard to install like that. So it's gonna be pretty damn hard to steal. You'd have to sit there and do each one, and it's really tight, really hard to get to, unless you're gonna cut it and then you need to source your own. There'd be no way you're gonna take this, like, you know what I'm saying. And I'd hear it before it happened, no matter if it was parked at work or what. I'd hear it before he took all these off, you know what I'm saying. So yeah, that's why I opted to do it this way. So I'm just tightening these up real quick, and then after I tighten it up, then I'll go ahead and give you guys a little quick walk around, and that'll be the end of the video. So go ahead and finish tightening these up so I can finish it off. I'm still getting a little rain down. The rain kind of stopped though. Luckily the rain stopped, and yeah.
The tape.
And that's the way she looks. I really like the fitment of it. It's pretty sturdy. It's not going anywhere. Definitely like the fitment of it. I think it goes with the look of the car now a lot better. I'm gonna do a little walk around real quick. Yeah, this side I still haven't done the fender flares yet, but yeah, I spaced it evenly on both sides, and overall I like the fitment of it. I like the way the back just goes down. It's nice and sleek. It doesn't look bad. It's perfect. I gotta take all these stickers off and update the Instagram, stuff like that, which by the way, I'm still locked out of my Instagram. If you texted me on Instagram, mf_velos, I'm still having trouble getting on. I'm still using the backup account, but the backup account is a grow account, by the way. So yeah, reason why I'm not on, I guess, reason why I'm not uploading or posting about this right now on Instagram or any of the updates, it's because I am locked out. So yeah, that's what's going on right now. Just wanted to give you guys some kind of video today. Tomorrow's video is definitely gonna be way better. I've been working on it, so tomorrow's video is gonna be definitely way better. Just want to let you know. So if you like today's video, if you liked the install, go ahead and like the video, subscribe, and that's pretty much all we got for today. That's all for today, guys. Thanks for hanging out. Tomorrow's video is definitely gonna be way better than this, so stick around. We still didn't get into that box, so that's gonna be in tomorrow's. And yeah, I appreciate the time. I feel like we're starting to get to know each other, and yeah, I look forward to the future, what this channel is gonna bring forward, what the builds are gonna be. I look forward to seeing, you know, these builds completed. I know I've been here and there, but we're finally knocking one out, and then after we knock that out, then we'll start, you know, move into the next one and the next one and so forth, and you'll start seeing some progress in the near future. So if you're looking forward to any of the builds that I'm working on, or if you like hanging out with me, hit that subscribe button. I know I've said it plenty of times, but it really helps out. So yeah, I'm just gonna end the video with saying I really hope that you got a lot more progress than me done today, but any progress is better than no progress. Peace.